Hello, you've caught me doing some sneaky rubbing out. I'm hoping that in a moment someone's going to shout up, "Supper's ready!" So that's the joy of having adult children living at home. They take over on cooking and things. It's brilliant. We're looking for an answer roughly 5 times 70, which would be about 350-ish. That all-important ish. Off we go. Now remember, ignore the decimal and we'll sort it out at the end. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Now we'll put down the naught. 1 times 7 is 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Add them up. 3, 12, carry the 1. 1, 6, 7, 3. How many numbers after the decimal? Once, so bounce it in. Once, ready? It's funny, isn't it? So now we've got 372.3, which is about 350-ish, isn't it? Now, if you just brought it down, you'd got it in the right place. But through sheer dumb luck, now dumb luck will come your way sometimes, but let's recap what would happen if we had it in different places. Shall we put a decimal there and a decimal there? And we'll get rid of this one here. There we are. So now we would have 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal point. So we would go in 1, 2, 3. And that would mean about a half, wouldn't it? So 0.5 is about a half of 7-ish. A half of 7 is 3.5-ish, which that is. Sorry, I must stop being smug. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? 0 times... Now listen, we could do clever things with this, but this has led us astray in the past, hasn't it? So do you know what I'm going to suggest we do? Is we keep it simple. I mean, we could times that by 10, which would be 78, and then double it. 16, carry the 1, 156. Yeah, that's about 8 times 20. That seems about right. But we're going to use that as our check because I know it went badly wrong before, and once bitten, twice shy. So 8 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. Well, that was helpful. Shall we make it into eyes? Hello. I'm going to have to give it a bit of a smile now, because otherwise it was looking a bit miserable, wasn't it? Right. Put down the 0. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 2 is 14, and 1 is 15. Now let's add them up. 0, 6, 5, 1. How many numbers after the decimal? 1. So we count it in 1. This one, to be honest, we'll just move. I think if we're a proper mathematician, we'll say we move the numbers one place up there if we multiply by 10. So it will be 49, wasn't it? We can do that. We can do that. So yeah, the numbers move that way or the decimal moves that way. Either or, it all shuffles one space over. If in doubt, about 5 times 10 is about 50. Is that about 50? Yes, it is. Get in there. See you soon.